So we are on the browser to sign up for ChatGPT. When you type in chat.openai.com and you click enter, it will take you to the interface where you need to sign up. On that interface, it will bring you here. So if you already have an account, you click on login and use your login credentials to join. However, if you don't have an account and this is the first time you are using this tool, you click on sign up. So it takes you to an interface where you can create your account. So you can create your account through 3 different methods. You can create directly by typing in your email into this box, or you can use your Google account to join in, or you can use your Microsoft account to join in. I advise that you use your Google account because it's easy for you to log in when next you want to log in instead of typing in your email address. However, depending on whatever is more convenient for you, you can use any of them that works for you. So whether you are using your email directly, or you are using your Google account, or you are using your Microsoft account, the process is very easy and seamless. Once you go through the process, one of the steps will require that they send you a code which you are going to use to activate your account. So it requires you to use your phone number. So I'm going to click on signing in using Google. It will take me to an interface where I will choose the different Google accounts that I have to sign up. So I'm here. All I need to do is type in my email address, which is going to use for my sign up. So I'm going to use this email address. Then I'll click on next. Or you can create a new email Google Gmail address if you don't have one existing. Or like I said, whichever of the method you want to use, it still takes you through the process to create your account. Sometimes the process may be slow depending on how the OpenAI server is occupied. So you are expected to input your password and go through the process. So I'm going to pause this process and complete the process. Then we'll log in and start working with our ChatGPT. When you have gone through the process of creating your account and you have activated your account, the next thing to do is to click on login, and it will take you, when you log in using the account that you, whatever credential you use in creating, whether Google, Microsoft, or your direct email, then it will bring you into the interface where you see this. So our next video will look at the interface and get to understand how to navigate around the ChatGPT and use it properly.